Hello everybody. In a significant legal setback to the Trump administration, a US district judge blocked Trump's executive order of restricting birthright citizenship. This is a big relief for Indian students and professionals living in the United States on different visas and waiting for green cards. The district judge Connor said, "In this courtroom and under my watch, the rule of law is a bright beacon which I intend to follow." Judge Connor further states, if the government wants to change the exceptional American grant of birthright citizenship, it needs to amend the Constitution itself. It is a second major legal blow to the Trump administration's efforts to alter the US Citizenship Act. Earlier, US District Judge Deborah Boardman in Maryland issued another preliminary injunction against Trump's order on Wednesday. Both court orders will apply nationwide and will remain in effect while the case proceeds. The Justice Department said that it will appeal the Seattle's court order. The appeal of the preliminary injunction will reportedly go to the 9th US Circuit Court of Appeals, a left-leaning appeals court, a move that could eventually land the issue before the US Supreme Court. Trump's Executive Order on Citizenship Act concerns Indian community in the US, particularly those living on temporary visas like H-1B, which is a work visa, L visa, which is used for intra-company transfers, H-4 visa, which is a dependent visa, and F-1 visa, which is a popular student visa. As per immigration attorneys, the legal challenges to this executive order continue across district courts as the order has been challenged by 22 state attorney generals. So, it is likely that the matter will finally be decided by the US Supreme Court. We will keep you updated on this story. Till then, you can check out our detailed video simplifying how the executive order will impact Indians living in the US. Thank you for watching.